Welcome DIKWP aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Forget the buzzwords. The real AI revolution isn't about bigger models or cooler interfaces. It's about systems that can take a chaotic mess of data and information and turn it into solid knowledge, wisdom, and purpose. And then do it again recursively, checking its own work. This is the engine reshaping our world. So, what makes these next level systems tick? Forget just one giant brain. Think of them as a six-part toolkit. First, a semantic compressor. It takes all the noise D/I and squeezes it into useful knowledge K. Then, a value layer sets the rules. An intent manager keeps the system focused on the long game P. It needs tools to interact with the real world. Crucially, it has an auditor to police itself and strict security controls. You see this popping up in agents, research operating systems, even autonomous labs. It's not just about talking, it's about doing, reliably and securely. Okay, so we have these powerful systems. But who really benefits? The owners aren't just chasing hype. Their endgame is clear: grab control of the high-value levers. Who decides what's true knowledge? Who sets the boundaries? Who assigns the big tasks? Who watches the watchmen? They want sustainable autonomy for their systems, but with hidden reasoning processes and tightly controlled access points. Think OpenAI or Anthropic. They're building infrastructure, security frameworks, and economic models around this control surface, not just selling chatbots. It's about locking down the value chain. Now, let's talk impact. This isn't some simple story of robots taking all the jobs. It's a fundamental reshuffle of social layers based on control. Forget industry lines. Think about who holds the keys to K/W/P. At the top, you'll have the platform and regulatory powers shaping the rules. Below them, those defining the goals and systems. Then come the crucial verifiers and executors in high-trust fields like law or medicine, followed by the human-machine orchestrators managing complex workflows. And at the bottom, the cognitive execution layer doing repetitive tasks gets squeezed. The real divide isn't if you use AI, but whether you can define its purpose, validate its actions, and organize the real-world resources it touches. So what's the bottom line? Expect to see more focus on long-term autonomy, systems moving beyond just answering questions to actually executing tasks, especially in critical areas. Watch how open models try to build trust and integrate deeper into industries. And look for the rise of new roles focused on auditing, organizing, and setting goals for these powerful systems. The core takeaway? In this new era, controlling the flow from raw data to meaningful action, that K/W/P chain is where the real power lies. That's the game changer.